Running water. What does running water do? Running water has two components: overland flow on the general land surface as a sheet, linear flow as streams and rivers in valleys. Sheet erosion is caused by overland flow, and depending upon the irregularities of the land surface, the overland flow may concentrate into narrow to wide paths. During the sheet erosion, minor or major quantities of materials from the surface of the land are removed in the direction of flow, which leads to the formation of gradual small and narrow rills. Gradually, the rills will develop into long and wide gullies. The gullies will further deepen, widen, and lengthen, and unite to give rise to a network of valleys. Once a valley is formed, it later develops into a stream or river. Courses of a river. A river, which is the best example of the linear flow of running water through a valley, can be divided into three on the basis of its course: upper course, middle course, and lower course.